Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey, Jerry. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about daily meals today. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all the simple things we eat every day.
Food. The greatest topic ever created. Good morning, Jerry, and hello to everyone listening. I'm Tom.
And I'm Jerry. Welcome to our very simple, slow, natural English podcast, where we speak like real friends, not like a teacher reading a textbook.
And today's topic is wonderful. Talking about your daily meals in English is one of the easiest and most useful skills.
Yes, because everyone eats. Everyone has breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So it's a perfect way to practice simple English.
So let's start softly. Daily meals are the meals you eat every day.
Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner in the evening, and sometimes snacks in between.
And beginners can talk about meals using very simple sentences, like, I eat breakfast at 8. I drink coffee in the morning. For lunch, I have rice. I eat dinner at 7.
Easy, right? Today we'll give you many examples.
So let's start softly. What did you eat for breakfast today, Jerry?
Oh, Tom, don't judge me. I ate cold pizza.
Cold pizza for breakfast?
Yes, it was delicious. I woke up, opened my fridge, saw the pizza, and boom, breakfast.
You're a hero, a breakfast champion.
Thank you. What about you?
I had eggs, toast, and black coffee.
Wow, you're so healthy.
I also ate 3 cookies.
There it is. The balance. So, listeners, here are easy breakfast phrases you can use. I eat breakfast at blank. I had eggs for breakfast. I ate cereal this morning. I drink tea in the morning. Sometimes I skip breakfast.
And simple habits. I always eat fruit. I usually drink coffee. I never eat heavy food in the morning. I like a light breakfast.
See? Simple and natural English.
Did you have a favorite breakfast as a kid?
Oh, yes. My mom made waffles every Saturday morning.
Aww.
The smell of warm syrup, butter melting, it felt like happiness, like the whole house was smiling.
That's such a sweet memory. Even now, when I smell waffles, I feel like a little kid again. Okay, lunchtime.
To talk about lunch, you can say, for lunch, I eat blank. I usually have a sandwich. I eat lunch at work. I make lunch at home. I buy lunch from a restaurant. My lunch was light.
And simple foods, soup, rice, chicken, pasta, salad, sandwiches.
Very easy vocabulary.
Tell us about your school lunches.
Every day it was the same. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a juice box, and a cookie.
Sounds delicious.
Not when you eat it every day for years.
Fair.
But sometimes my mom added a little note inside. Have a great day, or I love you.
Aww.
Those notes made the PB&J sweeter.
All right, dinner time.
Dinner is the evening meal, often the biggest meal. You can say, I eat dinner at 7. I cook dinner at home. I had pasta for dinner. Dinner was simple. Dinner was delicious.
And simple foods, I ate chicken and rice. I had soup. I made vegetables.
What were dinners like in your family?
Very special. Every night we ate together. No TV, no phones, just talking.
That's beautiful.
We talked about our day, funny stories, problems, everything. It felt warm and safe.
Family dinners stay in your heart forever. And now, snacks.
My favorite subject.
Snack vocabulary. Chips. Fruit. Cookies. Crackers. Nuts. Chocolate. Yogurt.
Simple sentences. I ate a snack. I had some fruit. I like sweet snacks. I prefer healthy snacks.
Easy English.
What's your favorite snack?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
Same.
When I was a kid, I hid chocolate under my bed.
A secret chocolate stash?
Yes. And now? I still hide chocolate in my kitchen cabinets.
Same. It's called being responsible.
To talk about cooking, you can say, I cook dinner. I don't cook much. I like cooking. I cook simple meals. I bake on weekends.
Beginners can use I make sandwiches. I fry eggs. I cook rice. Very easy.
Didn't you burn something once?
I burned everything once, but the pancake disaster was the worst.
Oh no.
I left pancakes on the stove and forgot.
Uh-oh.
When I came back, they were black, like little pieces of coal.
Pancake charcoal?
Yes. Never watch TV while cooking. You know, Jerry, talking about cooking disasters makes me feel hungry and embarrassed at the same time.
It's okay, Tom. Everyone burns something at least once in their life, or twice, or every week.
Okay, stop exposing me. Let's move on before my kitchen reputation disappears completely.
All right, let's continue. We've talked about breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and cooking habits. Now let's talk about favorite foods, the fun part.
To talk about your favorite foods, you can use very simple sentences. My favorite food is blank. I love blank. I really like blank. I enjoy eating blank. I always choose blank.
Yes, no fancy grammar needed, just clear and simple English.
For example, my favorite food is pizza. I love noodles. I really like chicken curry.
Easy English, easy conversation.
Jerry, tell us, what's your number one favorite food?
No hesitation, no thinking. Tacos.
Tacos? All kinds?
All. Every. Single. Kind.
You sound serious.
I am serious. Tacos make life better. Bad day? Eat tacos. Good day? Eat tacos. Rainy day? Eat tacos.
You should be the taco ambassador.
I'm ready. Call me Mr. Taco.
Okay, Mr. Taco.
What about you, Jerry? Your favorite food?
My favorite comfort food is chicken soup.
Oh, yes. Chicken soup feels like a warm hug. Exactly. When I was young, my mom made chicken soup whenever I was sick, or sad, or cold. The smell made me feel safe.
Comfort food is powerful.
Yes. Even today, when I make chicken soup, it reminds me of home.
Now let's talk a little about cultural meals. Food from different countries is a great topic in English.
Yes. You can say, in my country, we eat blank for breakfast. In my culture, we eat rice every day. We usually eat spicy food. We have a big family dinner on Sundays.
These sentences help people learn about your background, and you don't need complex words.
Have you ever tried food from another culture?
Many times. I love trying new dishes. One time I tried Korean food, spicy rice cakes called tteokbokki.
Oh, spicy.
Very spicy. I cried. Real tears. My tongue felt like it was on fire.
Did you drink water?
Yes, but water didn't help. I needed milk and maybe prayer.
But you liked it, right?
Yes, it was spicy but delicious. What about you? Have you tried food from another culture?
Yes. The first time I tried sushi, I was nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because I thought sushi meant eating a whole fish, like the entire fish.
Oh no.
But then I saw the sushi, tiny rolls, beautiful shapes, fresh ingredients. It was delicious. I felt fancy.
Sushi does that. It makes you feel rich even when you're not.
Exactly.
Now let's talk a little about healthy and unhealthy foods in easy English. Healthy foods are fruit, vegetables, fish, salad, nuts, whole grains.
Unhealthy foods are chips, fried food, sugary snacks, soda, fast food.
And you can use phrases like, I try to eat healthy. I eat too much sugar. I want to eat more vegetables. I don't like soda. I prefer healthy food.
Simple and useful.
Jerry, do you eat healthy?
I try. Keyword try.
What do you eat when you're trying to be healthy?
Smoothies. Green smoothies.
Oh, wow. You're fancy.
Don't be impressed. They taste like liquid grass.
Then why drink them?
Because they make me feel like a healthy adult for 5 minutes.
Fair enough. Do you eat healthy, Jerry?
I try, but French fries exist.
Yes. French fries are my weakness, too.
I can eat fries anytime. Morning, afternoon, night.
Same. If someone brings me fries at 2 a.m., I will eat them happily.
Fries are love. Fries are life. Drinks are also easy to talk about. Water, tea, coffee, juice, soda, milk.
And simple sentences. I drink water. I like tea. I need coffee. I drink juice in the morning. I don't like soda.
Drinks vocabulary is always useful. Jerry, be honest. How much coffee do you drink in a day?
Enough to keep 3 people awake.
That's not good.
I know, but without coffee, I am like a sleepy turtle.
Coffee gives you life.
Coffee is life. Now let's help listeners talk about eating habits. I eat 3 meals a day. I eat small meals. I eat late at night. I eat with my family. I eat alone. I eat at restaurants.
Eating habits tell a lot about someone's lifestyle.
Do you have any funny eating habits?
Yes, I eat too fast.
Really?
Yes. My friends say I finish my food before everyone else even starts.
That is talent.
Maybe, or maybe I'm just hungry all the time. Food is emotional, so you can use simple feeling sentences. This reminds me of home. This makes me happy. I feel comfort when I eat this. This food is special to me.
Food brings back memories. Food connects us.
You know, Tom, daily meals are simple, but they tell stories.
Yes, breakfast shows your morning mood. Lunch shows your routine. Dinner shows your heart.
And snacks show your secret personality.
True.
Talking about daily meals in English helps people connect, make friends, and share cultures.
It's an easy way to start conversations.
So, to everyone listening, remember, you don't need difficult English to talk about food.
Just use simple sentences. I eat breakfast at. For lunch, I have. My favorite food is. I like cooking.
Keep the language simple. Keep the conversation natural. Food is something we all share.
And when you talk about your daily meals, you show a little piece of who you are.
That's the beauty of simple English.
Thanks for joining us today. This was a delicious conversation.
Yes, and now I'm hungry.
Same. Let's go eat something.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.